you doing? I'm so excited because we're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S21. I am so grateful with my mom, but overall I am so excited. And this is actually a birthday present because I am turning 15. And right now, today it's February 4th, I believe, and I'm turning 15 on February 9th. So this is my birthday present from my mom, and again, I'm so grateful. I always get so nervous in unboxings, and I don't know why. I'm just so excited, and I don't know what to say. So I'm probably just gonna be doing a bunch of montages because see, I can't even speak English because I might ramble too much, and you guys might get bored. You see, like right now, you guys are probably getting bored because I'm talking so much. But okay, I'm just gonna open this, and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm hoping you see that clearly. Look at this. Oh my. Look at that. Just look at that finish. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side. Also, this doesn't have a cube, but Apple doesn't have them anymore. So, I mean, am I shocked? No, I'm not shocked at all that Samsung doesn't have it now. I'm a little sad about it, and I gotta check if I have any cubes for it because it is USB-C, and I don't know if I have any charging cubes for it, but wish me luck on trying to find one. Does anyone read instructions anymore? There's no point in them anymore. I mean, you're just wasting paper, but okay. Okay, now time for what you guys actually really came for. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my. You can see me, feel me right there. Look at that silver finish. I'm not drooling, you are. Okay, I'm not gonna take the screen one off yet. I'm gonna take the one from the back off. You ready? Beautiful. Look, it's a matte finish. It's supposed to be just silver, but from here, it actually looks like it's what's it called? Iridescent. And the options were black and purple one, I believe. I don't know what it's called, but this is the Phantom Silver, and I fell in love with this one, so you know I just decided to get this one. And if you didn't know, it actually has 3 cameras. Okay, so let's turn this bad baby on. Oh, bro. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Powered by Android gang. Oh my gosh. Okay, comment down below if you know where that's from, Android gang. And if you know where that's from, I hope that you've seen that I've grown in this YouTube channel. I mean, I'm hoping that I'm a little bit less cringier than I was before. So that's what it says right now. Start, of course, English. Few legal items to review, blah blah blah. Hold on, I'm gonna try to set it up real quick and then I'll get back to you guys. And when I get back, I'm probably just gonna check out the camera because honestly that's the only thing people care about. So quick break. It is a lot of days later. I forgot that I had to finish filming this video, but the Galaxy is all set up. I have all of my apps installed. My photos are all transferred and all of my files, and everything's good. And right now, what I said I was gonna check was the camera quality. I honestly still, even though I've had it for days, I still haven't taken pictures or anything. So this is the first time I'm gonna be trying to take pictures. So let's do that. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I last, filmed the Samsung Galaxy unboxing thing, and I actually finished filming this video, but I lost the footage. So here I am trying to recreate what I had filmed before, and I'm just gonna try my best. And I'm probably not gonna be able to say the same things because I don't even remember what I said, but let's just get into it right now. The last thing I said I was gonna do is I was gonna check the camera quality, and right now you guys are seeing how the Samsung Galaxy vlogs in front mode. Do you guys just see this? Look at my face. Just look at it. It looks so good. My hair looks really gray, but it's just the lighting. And I did just wash it, so that's why it looks like that. But just look. I had already taken a selfie and a picture from the back camera. So right now I'm gonna insert what a front camera selfie looks like right here. Just gonna insert it right here. Do not mind that mess, but I'm just gonna insert it right here. And now with the back camera one, I'm gonna insert it right here again. Literally, the selfie did not do the front camera justice. I was just not looking good that day. But, bro, this camera quality is so good. I love the trim of the phone. It's like another silver. I am so happy I grabbed this phone. I am literally just so thankful and grateful. I'm just so excited. I still haven't even used all the features in the camera. And I saw that it has a bunch of other stuff. Dude, it has a hyperlapse. Not even a time lapse. It has a hyperlapse. And it just looks so good. I love this phone. I just love it so much. And I was also able to
find out how to do a widget. So I'm gonna be probably doing like showing you guys how to do that on what's on my phone, not iPhone, but phone, because I have an Android. But you already knew that, of course. But I'm just so excited for this video. And oh, is that Bear? Buddy, you wanna be in the video? Here's Bear, and look how good he looks. Doesn't he look so good? Just look at that. Bubby, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Just smile. But you see how good Bear looks? Yeah, that's how good this phone is. Oh, buddy, you look so cute. But I think that is all for what I had to say. I can't honestly review the phone yet because I've only had it for like 2 weeks I've had it, so there's really nothing that much that I can say. It's like any regular phone that I have, but just the camera quality is so much better, and I just literally showed you guys in this video. But that is it for today's video. He's so cute. Well, anyways, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell. So I'll see you in my next video. Adios.